Hi, welcome to brand new course AWS with AI. In today, AWS and AI are both are very important to learn the candidate who want to jump the career in the IT industry. The reason is AI covered more than 95% area, and AWS have market around 75 to 80% in the cloud. And every company are moving into the AWS, and every company leveraging the benefit of the AI. If you don't have any knowledge in AI, you know not able to survive, and you even not able to crack any interview. Even if you attend the interview related to any of the technology like the data engineer or the data analyst or the full stack developer, the interviewer will always ask you the question related to AI. So I'm going to cover the complete bundle of AWS with AI, which is the Zero to Hero series. If you don't have any prior knowledge into the cloud or the AI, you can also easily learn this through this course from the beginning to start ending. So I will start from the very beginning level. So like if you have zero prior experience or the zero prior knowledge in cloud area, so this course will cover each and everything. I will cover AWS Cloud from this scratch, understand core services like ECW, EC2, S3, IAM, VPC, Lambda, and we have also lots of more services as well. I will also cover complete real-world data engineering pipeline using the AWS, which is including the how you can leverage the benefit of the AI. I will also cover the complete design and implementation of the data lake and data warehouse. I will also cover the ETL tool like AWS Glue uh, and Redshift. So basically all these things and most important CI/CD. This is a very important like topic in the cloud area. So if you are attending the any of the interview, so this course is basically designed from the very scratch to the interview ready point of view. So if you complete this entire course, you are very ready to crack the interview related to AWS Cloud and AI. So I will also include the AI machine learning skill understanding from the basic AI, what is the machine learning, generative AI, how you can build and deploy the model using the AWS SageMaker, and also work with the AI services like Comprehend. We have also some services also which not included into list. So this is the not limited a list. I will also go the beyond of the list. So this is the just for the introduction of the course. And also this course you will find the some architecture and advanced skill like how we can design the architecture framework in using the AWS, how you can build the secure, scalable, and fault tolerance architecture in understanding the various microservices and container-based deployment. Basically, we have market, Docker, Kubernetes. We'll also cover the implementation, monitoring, and logging cost optimization strategy. Like if you have already worked, you can see the observability is there where we can figure out the cost point of view, which team have the highest cost consuming, like billing related activity. And this course is basically all the career and interview related prepare for the role. So this course is covered for the data engineer, data analyst, AI engineer, cloud engineer, data architect, solution architect, full stack developer. All this cover this course and get you will also get the interview question, answer, and practical scenario as well. So this is a very good course if you are really interested to learn the AWS. With the AI, I will build the confidently to attend the technical interview, and definitely if you complete this course you able to crack the interview. So thank you. We'll meet in next video. Thank you. Keep learning, keep innovating. Thank you.